So this is Tinkercad, and Tinkercad is a free software, and it is a shape-based CAD software. So the way it works is you can grab shapes and start to put them on your plane, and you can look at them from different angles using this camera function here. And you can combine shapes together to make new shapes like that. So here we're going to group them together to combine things, and you have lots of choices, but you are kind of limited because you can't draw anything on your own. So if I was making a spinner, what I would do is maybe start with a circle, and we're gonna follow the parameters, the rules of the bearing itself. So the bearing we know is 7 millimeters tall, so that's how tall I want my spinner to be. And I also know that the bearing is 22 millimeters wide. So my hole needs to be 22 millimeters across in it. So I'm going to make a shape that's a little bigger than that. So this is 25 by 25, so you can see it's a circle. And now I'm going to cut out the size I need to fit the bearing. So I'm going to make this one 22, and I'm going to use this to kind of make almost like a cookie cutter and cut out this shape. So I can see I'm a little off, so first thing I'm going to do is align the two together, make sure I'm right in the middle, and then by grouping them I'm going to actually cut out this hole. So you can see now I have the start of a spinner because this hole inside it is 22 millimeters. Now of course I can design lots of other things on top of it, or on the outside. There's lots of cool shapes here. There's even some pretty interesting ones. I might add gears, or even like a texture, like these weave pieces. There's terrain. So I could do the same thing with a gear. Right, and either add that to it or put a bearing right in the center of it. But you can see that's how you're going to use Tinkercad to get started making things. And of course there's also a really neat gallery of things that other people have made. And it is all cloud-based, so there's no software to download. Let's see if I can quickly show you the gallery. So these are things that other people have made and that you can download, you can manipulate, you can change, and of course print. So that's Tinkercad.